Linens are one of our largest inventory categories with over $350,000 in sales. If you don't know who I am by now, my name is Eddie. I own a $2 million business here in Dallas, Texas in the event rental industry. Along with my business partner, Xavier, we made over $7 million in lifetime revenue. Today, I'm going to show you a tour of our linen station. Stay till the end to see how we manage our huge linen inventory. Here at Kelly Rentals in Dallas, Texas, we offer a vast majority of linens for every occasion, from round tables, 120s, 90-inch rounds, 108s. For rectangle tables, we have 60 by 102, 60 by 126, 90 by 132, 90 by 156, and so forth. Napkins, we have runners, we have chair covers, we have cocktail table spandex. The list goes on and on. It's our biggest category that we have in inventory, just because of the wide variety in colors, sizes, and also the types of materials. So different types of materials, we have a satin, polyester, burlap. So yeah, we offer a wide variety of different types of linens. The linens that we don't have, we can still offer to our clients. We have vendors that are here locally. It's wedding linens. Online, if the client's event's a little bit further out where we can order them, will be like CV linens. We try to buy from good reputable vendors where the GSM, which is the actual linen thickness, is really nice. I believe it's like over 200 is really good. Anything below that, it starts to be able to see through. So we get nice thick linens from our vendors. How are linens a good inventory item? I believe they're a great inventory item because not only is it the cost of buying the linen, but it's also the cost of the service, which is to get it prepped and ready. Because most people, I get a lot of, clients that their arguments like, whoa, your linen prices are crazy high. I can just go buy them online. And we always say, yes, you can buy them online. But the one thing you have to take in consideration is when you get it out of the packet, it's not ready to go. It has all these creases in them, and you need to iron those creases out. And that's where the service side comes. So here, as you've seen from the previous video, we service our linens from, even if they're brand new, we get them out of the package, we open them up, we iron all the creases out, make sure they're nice and prepped and ready, and put them on a hanger, and then they're good to go. So that's one of the arguments that we have a lot, but it's a great investment because, you can buy the linen for a less cost and charge on top of that. So for a lot of you guys that are just starting out, that's a really good investment because sometimes you can get like 2 to 3 times the cost of the actual linen. But just one thing I would really stress is just make sure you buy good quality linen. That is, like I said, the GSM is a higher number versus a lower number because that's really gonna make or break you. How many active linens do we have? We currently have 432 linens active on Rentmore Pro. And I'm gonna give you a tour of what we have right now on the shelves.
Now, if you need more help in your rental business, please click the link below for our free ultimate checklist showing you how to start and run your rental business.
Okay, so this is one of our areas for 90-inch round. So everything from the bottom up on this side is 90-inch. These are basically used for cocktail tables, 48-inch tables, any kind of round table, really, a smaller table, because so something that can sit like anywhere up to 4 people would generally use a 90-inch round table cloth. Next we have 108, which is a little bit bigger. A lot of times people will use this on cocktail tables, like I mentioned, sometimes 60-inch round tables, 48-inch rounds for sure. Any kind of table that can hold like anywhere from 6 people. Over here we have our 120s. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to get more 132, but currently we don't offer anything above 60-inch rounds. So generally, this is kind of the go-to. The max is a 120. But as soon as we open up this year, 2025, to the bigger 72-inch tables, we're going to start investing in the 132, which is the linen that would go perfectly for that size table. But yeah, so basically whatever's on this side of the shelf or this side on this specific upright is 120-inch round tablecloth. So on this side we have 90 by 132, which is for a rectangle table. This one we'll use for 8 foot. You can use it for 6 foot as well if you don't want to see the feet. Right next to it is 90 by 156. 8-foot banquet tables use these a lot. Above that, we have napkins. On this side, we have more napkins. And then here we have skirts for stages, different colors, black, red. And then right here we have loose fitted chair covers. So banquet chair covers, we use these a lot, which are the loose fitted ones. And then over here we have a variety of different bins. In the bins have different things. Like for instance, this one has spandex chair covers, they're black. This one has white spandex cocktail table covers. This one's black cocktail table covers. This is 6-foot spandex covers on the bottom. On this side, it's 6-foot spandex as well, but it's black. This one's white. This one is spandex covers for chairs. So this one's, it says small. So it would be used for like your basic white chairs or black chairs. Same with this one, spandex chair covers black. This one's for Chivaris only. Here's some more black Chivari spandex. This one says spandex chair covers black small. So it'd be the same thing. It would be for like the basic kind of chairs. And then each bin, you have some over here for drapes. We have black drapes, we have white drapes. We have spandex 4-foot rounds. We have 8-foot rectangles spandex. We have spandex chair cover gold. So just many different colors. Some more drapes. These are the 12-foot drapes. We have 20-foot drapes. And we have bins like this as well, where we put kind of like, I guess like the velvet kind of chair covers, like an emerald color. So yeah, it's kind of like the, okay, so for our Chivari chairs, like the cushions, we have the blank cushions here. So whenever they're ready to go out, we'll go ahead and put covers on them. But we do have some on this side of the area with covers already ready to go. And then on top of the bags, we just put how many are in each, in each bag. So generally, I believe there's 20 in each bag. So yeah, depending on the order, we'll just pull out of them or we'll mix and match and however many we need. And then these racks are basically linens that are already done, prepared for the day. So basically what Maida does here is she'll keep ironing and ironing all day. And then like, an hour prior to when she's gonna leave, she'll go ahead and put everything in plastic and label everything so that way it can go back on the shelf. And then when she comes in the morning, she puts everything on the shelf. So basically that way she's not stopping every single one to put plastic in. So she just puts them on here and keeps moving and keeps moving and keeps moving. That way, like, everything's more uniform, you know what I'm saying? So that way it flows a lot better. So in case you guys are like, man, it's a lot of work, try to use that method. It helps out a lot. That way you're not going back and forth. You're just like focused on one task. And this is our linen prep table. So basically it's, I believe it's 3 6-foot tables. And it's good enough to have a big enough space to pull these linens all the way out and iron them. So what she does is she basically folds them all, gets them ready, and then just starts ironing them back to back. And then we have also a rolling iron, a smaller one in the front for like napkins and stuff like that. And then she has like a little drawer right here where she keeps all her tags that she puts on for the linens that are prepped. Any kind of stain remover or stuff like that she'll have here on the floor. One of the tools that really helps us out here in this linen area is Rentmore Pro. With Rentmore Pro, we're able to prepare our linens, also forecast when the linens are going out. That way there's no surprises, and it just helps us organize everything. As you see, it's one of our biggest categories. It can be very hectic, but thankfully with Rentmore Pro, we can easily be able to manage everything in one site. So that's pretty much what our linen section here. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned. I really enjoy making these videos for you guys. Believe it or not, I get really nervous, but they make it seem very seamless. But thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, subscribe, and like, and let us know what you want to see later on in the future. See you.